WHO has been assessing this outbreak around the clock, and we're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Bersgatau kaamyaab, bersgatau kaamyaab, bersgatau kaamyaab aku oh manas machu vishwas, pura chu vishwas, bersgatau kaamyaab aku.
Neyo dal kusedaj, neyo dal kusedaj, neyo dal kusedaj te din। ओ मन विच है भरोसा, पूरा है भरोसा, neyo dal kusedaj de din।
విజయం సాధిస్తాం, విజయం సాధిస్తాం, విజయం సాధిస్తాం ఒకరోజు। మనసున ఉన్నది విశ్వాసం, పూర్తిగా ఉన్నది విశ్వాసం, విజయం సాధిస్తాం ఒకరోజు।
होईल शांती चारी दिशा, होईल शांती चारी दिशा, होईल शांती चारी दिशा एक दिवस। हो मनात आहे विश्वास, पूर्ण आहे विश्वास, होईल शांती चारी दिशा एक दिवस।
हमें सफल थे शुभदा, हमें सफल थे शुभदा, हमें सफल थे शुभदा एक दिवस। ओ मनमा छे विश्वास, पूरा छे विश्वास, हमें सफल थे शुभदा एक दिवस। होबो शांति सारुफले, होबो शांति सारुफले, होबो शांति सारुफले ए दिन। ओ से बेकार सम्पूर्ण विकार बोबो हन्ति सर्वफले दिन ನಾವು ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಓ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು ಒಂದು ದಿನ வெற்றி பெறுவோம் நாம் வெற்றி பெறுவோம் நாம் வெற்றி பெறுவோம் ஒரு நாள் நம் மனதில் நம்பிக்கை என்றென்றும் உண்டு நாம் வெற்றி பெறுவோம் ஒரு நாள்
ഈ വിശ്വാസം കാത്തിടും നാം അതിജീവിക്കും നാം പ്രതിരോധിക്കും നാം ഈ ദുഃഖങ്ങളെ ഈ വിശ്വാസം കാത്തിടും നാം ഈ നാടൊന്നായി നീങ്ങും എന്നും
ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਓਹੋ ਮਨ 'ਚ ਹੈ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੈ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ
हमका मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम वही पे कामयाब
वयं भवामः सफला वयं भवामः सफला वयं भवामः सफला एकस्मिन् दिवसे ओहो मनसि विश्वासः पूर्णः विश्वासः भवामः सफलाः एकदा
আমরা নই একা আমরা নই একা
আমরা নই একা জান
বুকে গভীর
আছে প্রত্যয়
আমরা করব জয়
You, the ruler of our minds, our nation, to you, our humble salutations. You, the custodian of so many. You, the guardian of India's destiny. Through Punjab and Sindh, Gujarat and Maratha, Dravida, Utkal and Bengal. Across lofty crests and melodies of the Vindhyas and Himalayas, your name awakens one and all. It rests upon the melodies of the Yamuna and Ganga in harmony and swells the waves of the Titanic Sea. Your blessings we see, your praises replicate you as the protector of India's fate. Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He. Victory forever to you.
Purva, it's been an exciting morning seeing the vaccine doses finally leaving the Serum Institute facility there in Pune and now going to be shipped out to different parts of the country. I heard a lot of cheering as well as the trucks rolled out.
The biggest challenge of the era, a challenge that has been overcome to a certain extent, a challenge that has taken peace of mind of the entire globe, affected millions of people, caused lakhs of deaths across the world, yet taught us some good things. It has made us more tough, more optimistic, more social and more thoughtful to our family, friends and neighbors. Today, we are all happy, moving around precautiously. Life has become normal to a large extent. Yet, I still remember the agony of last 8 months, the hardships that the countrymen faced.
Leaders don't tell us what to do, they show you how it's done. A man with vision. He is a good leader with a humble heart. He is a patient listener. He has earned the respect from students, teachers, admins, and parents. His foresightedness has brought laurels to the school. A balanced personality, a fatherly figure, advancement of the school, and all-round development of the students has been his first priority ever since he joined the school. We love him, we respect him. Thank you, Dr. S.K. Sanyal.
So, what were the challenges that you faced during the reopening of the school in the COVID times?
Challenges, there were many. We first have to be bold when you lose things, and you have to be calm when you're starting winning things, or things are in your favor. Changing the face can change nothing, but facing the change can change everything. When we thought of opening the school, there were a lot of questions. Are we ready to face the challenge? Are we well equipped to face the challenges? Do we have the infrastructure ready to face the challenges? Because students who are coming in are children of various parents across the country. So to keep this in mind, we had to start something from the beginning. Our teachers pondered over the same question numerous number of times. But finally we said, let's go ahead with it. Because the inner feeling said, the inner word said, yes, we can do it. And that's the reason we opened it. When we opened it, things started falling in place. Children first came in small numbers, then the numbers increased. The parents' confidence grew on this. And finally we found out our place that within a time of just 2 months, we had about 180 students in the school. I think for this 180 students to come to our school, our parents played a very, very big role in it. Because without their confidence, without their assurances, we couldn't have gone ahead. And finally, if your purpose is clean and you think that yes, things can take place, everybody puts in a lending hand to see that all things take place in a very cordial and a gradual manner. And this is the way we faced it, we overcame it, and school has now started. Right? Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Nishant Goswami. I am from Music Department, B.K. Birla Center for Education. The most beautiful thing about life is that it keeps on changing, and hence it gives you the opportunity to learn from the bad and to enjoy from the good. Same is the case with 2020, the year 2020, which has been very challenging for many of us. Was a boon for many others. So it depends on you, or rather it depends on all of us, that how we look at it, whether we see a half glass full or half glass empty. So being positive, if I talk about music in these times, yes, it was very challenging because Music is a practical subject. Obviously, it has the theoretical part very significant, but still, the practical part is the most important when we talk about music. And hence, being online, going online and talking about music or learning music or teaching music was a big, big challenge for us. And in fact, for all the musical people, musicians, or music teachers all around the globe. Thanks to the great technology and the integration of technology with music, that today we are able to teach something productive and students are able to learn something from this situation on.
Hello, myself Ashim Karmakar. I am an art teacher. Art is all about colors. It is all about impression and expression. It relaxes your mind and makes you happy. COVID situation was very tough. Children at home, but no work to do, no moving out, seen only TV and mobile. I always thought to help the children and make them smile. Online classes was the best option. Students were happy to freehand drawing and craft work. Difficult situations make you strong. That is what I told my students. I always tried to boost their confidence. All is well was the mantra I give. Thank you.
आवकानः सरस्वती वाजे भिर्वाजिनीवती यत्नं वष्टु धिया वसु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे निरोगिणः भवन्तु इति कामये अहं रामस्वरूपः BK बिर्ला विद्यालयस्य संस्कृतशिक्षकः कोरोना कालस्य अनुभवं यदि वदामि तर्हि कोरोना काले पूर्णरूपेण सम्पूर्णप्रकृत्याः स्वरूपम् अस्तं विशीर्णकालं च कठिनकरं च आसीत्। अस्मिन् काले विद्यालयस्य छात्रान् पाठयितुम् अहं संस्कृतस्य अध्यापनकाले सङ्गणकस्य प्रयोगं सम्यक् रूपेण ज्ञातवान्। छात्राः कथं संस्कृतम् अधीतुं शक्नुवन्ति तदर्थं के प्रयोगाः वयं कर्तुं शक्नुमः, सङ्गणक आधारित शिक्षणं कथं सम्यक् भवितुम् अर्हति, एतेषां सर्वासां पद्धतीनां बिन्दूनां ज्ञानं वयम् अधीतवन्तः। इदानीं सम्पूर्णा सामग्री सज्जा च अस्ति। छात्राः अपि विद्यालये आगतवन्तः सन्ति। तेषां संस्कृतशिक्षणम् अन्य भाषाणां शिक्षणं च कथं श्रेष्ठं भवितुम् अर्हति इति वयं योजनां कृतवन्तः स्मः। निश्चयेन इतः परं छात्राणां सर्वाङ्गीणविकासं, छात्राणां चतुर्मुखं विकासं ज्ञानेन, अध्ययनेन, शारीरिकं, मानसिकं च सम्यक् रूपेण भविष्यति इति कामये। सर्वे निरामयाः भवन्तु इति मम ईश्वरात् कामना अस्ति। मातु सरस्वत्याः आशीषम् अस्माकं सर्वेषां छात्राणाम् उपरि सर्वदा भवेत् इति कामये। धन्यवादः।
Hello everyone, I am Sharshi Bhattacharya. I am class teacher of class 5. Being an optimistic person, I believe that this pandemic did give me a positive break. I got a chance to spend more time with my family and once more explore the hidden me. I attended several interesting webinars. Those webinars are really productive and helped me to grow professionally. During this pandemic, I started learning and adapting different methodologies of teaching through different digital platforms like Zoom class, then Google Meet, Google Classrooms. Apart from my professional growth, I tried out to get back to some healthy lifestyle. All these changes made me believe that it is indeed difficult to adapt to the pandemic, but I believe that I learned to be more resilient. It is a difficult challenge, a new challenge, but with a smile, I accepted the challenge. Thank you. Take care. See you soon.
What I feel that COVID has taught us many lessons. It has compelled us to revisit our values, the culture, at individual level, at level of society as well as species also. When COVID came in India and all of the sudden major institutions, organization, industry, they all stopped working. And we have seen that many people, they became without jobs. Then we have seen the major labor migration from one state to another. All sort of adversities we have faced. And after that, we have seen the blessing in disguise also. When the technology became more louder, the apps which we were just hearing of from past few years, we really use them also, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, many others. So it has opened doors for other innovations also. And for me, the bottom line for this period was that comebacks are important than setbacks. And as species, we have really came back. And I think now we all are once again moving towards the growth. And we have revisited our culture, the things which we have forgotten. Now I think they are more prominent. So I feel that we should all be proud of this thing. And the two keywords should be perseverance and resilience. Thank you.
So the first time when we came to know about coronavirus and the lockdown that was going to be implemented in Pune, we were worried and we were just wondering how long this is going to be, because we thought it's going to be this was a short-term change. I remember coming to know about it in a meeting and then going and telling it to the students, and the students were very happy because we were right in the middle of their annual exams and they were very happy that they were not going to have the rest of the exams. Also, they were very happy to go back home to their parents. We are a boarding school, so they were very happy that they would get more time to spend with their parents. Then following that, there was a lot of boredom because there were no children on campus and there was not really much to do. That's when we came to know that we might have to start taking our classes online. And that's when we came to know about Zoom. We started having a lot of trainings that would help us teach the children through the internet, and we had a good response. The students would come, they were being very, very responsible. They would attend classes, they would even do assignments and even the projects. So that was something that was that was positive. Also, we all developed digitally. Also, we started taking a lot of online courses, so we had a lot of time to spend on our professional development. Another thing that happened is that we got a lot of time for ourselves. So a lot of us were engaging in cooking and maybe practicing a little bit of yoga and just walking around the campus and just engaging with each other. Apart from that, we also had a lot of time to spend with our families. So now that things are coming back to normal, it's nice to come back to this life also, but it's just going to take us a little more time to adjust to it.
Hi, I'm Kiran, housemaster of hostel number 2, and also I teach social science. A hostel without a children is like a body without a soul. So is the case with the classrooms. I still remember those lonely days when there were no children, no shouting, no noise, no pranks, no jokes. Everything had come to a standstill. Children often called me. They spoke to me about their boring routine. They were fed up of staying at home and were anxiously waiting for the schools to reopen. Online classes was the best way to keep them engaged and bring them out of a monotonous situation. Projects, diagrams, data collection, statistics, activity, and many other ways I took to keep them busy. Parents played also an important role in this, and they made sure that the children are attending the classes and also they are doing the work given. Very soon, I expect the students to be back in the hostel. Once again, there will be a noise, laughter, children's playing in the corridor. Life will be back in the hostel. Thank you.
Because of the pandemic, all board exams, school exams, university exams, etc., either postponed or cancelled, or without exams, students were promoted to next class. There was prohibition of a social gathering like cultural, marriages, and religious functions. People experienced huge economic loss. However, the positive side of the pandemic, there was reduction in both air and noise pollution and road accident as well. There was curtailment in the expenditures of functions like marriages, social or cultural functions. The pandemic made the bonding between or among the members of family much stronger.
Hi children, myself Mr. Ajay Pramag. I hope you all are fine there. All of us are slowly coming out of this pandemic, but during the pandemic situation, all of us have faced new challenges, new responsibilities. We people, when this pandemic started, were not aware of that, what it was all about, and still we are not knowing how long it will persist. During this pandemic, I have learned a very great lesson that how to work from home, how to use new technology, and undoubtedly I have used this new technology to teach my students. I help them a lot by giving them a lot of videos, adding a lot of effects into them, so that my students at their homes, they do not feel alone. They feel, yes, there should be somebody with them. Even their parents also encourage them how to get out of this pandemic time. My dear students, I have also learned during this pandemic time to be focused and to focus on the positive aspect of any pandemic. And how to be focused? There is a technique how to develop, how to increase this focus. For example, if your brain wanders off, try to bring it back to the goal. Again, your brain wanders off, try to bring it back to the goal. A situation comes when this focus will become better and better. Believe in yourself. Thank you.
Yes, we also had challenge because entire city was locked down, all states were locked down, only few shops were open, even online purchase was not possible. But we had to purchase web camera and headphones. Though we had web headphones in 2 or 3 quantities, but we required a huge number of minimum 16 to 32 headphones were required and 16 web cameras were required. So that at the same time, when we are creating timetable, classes can be conducted uninterruptedly. So finally, we could say that yes, COVID-19 pandemic was challenge for us, but with every challenge there is some new learning, and which in fact teaches us how we should be prepared for future, for difficult times, for unexpected, unprecedented moment which can come to anyone, and really we have learned to cope up with that. Thank you everyone.
Hi, I'm Shautik Dash. I'm working here as a physical education teacher, soccer trainer, as well as housemaster of Teak House.
COVID-19 was taught us a lot of things. Not only to stay fit or stay safe, we should take care of our family and friends.
Yes, my dear.
What has COVID taught you?
So fast to overcome everything in my life.
Shagul ma'am, what has COVID taught you?
To just enjoy life at home and sit back and relax.
What has COVID taught you?
COVID has taught me to be with family, to be health conscious, very much, to do a lot of gardening. I think it has really taught us a lot, about bonding.
Yes, COVID taught you.
COVID has taught me to be patient, tolerant, and moreover optimistic. That there is a sunrise after sunset. So be optimistic. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. COVID taught you.
COVID has taught me only one thing, that every adverse situation has a silver lining. When you are in difficulty, you find the path out. COVID has also opened the doors for many new opportunities which were not there. That's COVID for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, sir, what has COVID taught you?
See, I can say about the COVID. The COVID taught one thing. It taught us how we can come out of the adversity.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rohit Agarwal. I am MBBS doctor visiting at BK Birla Center for Education. Over the last 1 year or so, we are facing this pandemic with COVID, and I would like to share what COVID has taught us. And the first and foremost thing that COVID has taught us is that prevention is always better than cure. I always believed that hand hygiene and self-hygiene is most important factor, and this has been emphasized even further by COVID. Now since last 1 year we all are fighting with COVID and trying to cope up with it, and now India is on the verge of second wave of COVID surge. So I would like to advise everyone that please keep safe distance between yourself, avoid unnecessary gatherings, maintain hand hygiene, and avoid to go out unless it is very essential. We can overcome this COVID pandemic only as a collective effort. Thank you.
So students and parents, this lockdown has taught us many things. It has taught us thousands of ways how we can use technology for the betterment of learning and teaching. Our students have educated themselves and our teachers got themselves educated. But I found, and we all know one thing, that there is no substitute for classroom study, because that physical contact between the teacher and the student is the ultimate of learning. So when we got a chance for all the students to come back, we were indeed happy. But more happy was because the parents believed in us and sent their children. All medical requirements, all precautionary measures were taken to its maximum, and we saw to it that everything runs fine. And days went so fast after that. After we had so many events during this opening of the school, we suddenly realized that we have now come down to sit for our final exams. And our exams are just going to start and knocking on the doors from the 2nd of March and going to get over by the 15th. So once it's over, we look forward for the next session. And next session starting from the 5th of April, I'm confident and more confident that the parents who are desperately looking for their wards to come back to school will send them, and we will be more confident now, as because we have gone through the initial stages, to receive the students with our open hands in a much better precaution measure, to see that they all enjoy, come back, learn, but under the coverage of proper guidance and precautions. We wish all the students a very, very happy and good wishes for the exams, and the new students who are doing the exams through online to come back to school for their offline classes from the 5th with open arms. With this, I would like to say we're indeed blessed by the Almighty that He has looked into us in such a manner that we are today closing the school for this term and opening the school for the next term in 100% believed and seen good students ratio and a prospective happy student ratio. Thank you and wish you all the best.
गण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा पानी सा निपस सरगा परस पानी सा पानी सा सरगा निपस जन गण मंगल दायक जय भारत भाग विधाता सर गर 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 पानी सा पानी पासा नी सा पानी नी पासा नी सा पानी पासा नी सा पानी सा नी पागा रे का पग रे सा सर का परे सा सर का परे सा जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे